Hi guys, so today we will be doing or rather starting H2O2, ठीक है ना. So H2O2 is a compound and it's a compound of hydrogen. We know its name is hydrogen peroxide. So it has some that is called peroxo linkage, right? So the molecular geometry is an important factor to it, but first of all, how does it look? It looks like this, ठीक है ना. So this is the peroxo oxygen, this one, and we know for both this oxygen the oxidation state is -1. Clear? So before going into H2O2 in further detail, that is reactions of H2O2, preparations of H2O2 and anything that ensures the chemistry of it, we have to first know about the structure of the compound. So our today's topic is structure of H2O2, how does it look and why does it look that way. ठीक है, first of all, how does it look? So recent X-ray studies and dipole moment analysis ठीक है, from this two important analysis or study we get that H2O2 has a structure that we call as open book structure. It's a non-planar structure, ठीक है, and it's a open book structure. How does a open book structure exactly look like? So as you can see at this moment I am holding a book like this. So this is an open book structure, ठीक है. One plane is this one, this is one plane and this is another plane, okay. So as you can see both the planes are intersecting in this line, right. If two lines intersect, they intersect at a point. If two planes intersect, they intersect at a line, okay, they intersect at a line. When two planes intersect, they form an angle between them, right. When two planes intersect, they form an angle between them. Clear? This angle when two planes intersect is called dihedral angle, ठीक है. So please write down here, as it is a non-planar, so here two planes intersect. How does they intersect? They intersect like this. So I'll just make two planes. ठीक है, two planes. So this two plane is intersecting at this line. This one is called spine, that is spine of the open book structure. बीच का जो होता है that is called spine, ठीक है. And which is the dihedral angle? This is the dihedral angle. This is called dihedral angle, ठीक है. This is the dihedral angle. Next, oxygen atoms occupy, this two oxygen atom occupies the spine of the open book structure. Clear है? The spine of the open book structure. Here there is a hydrogen atom attached to this oxygen like this. Here there is another hydrogen atom attached to the oxygen like this, ठीक है. So first of all we are going to discuss the gas phase of H2O2, ठीक है, the gas phase of H2O2. So as you know very well that this oxygen over here has two lone pairs like this, right, two lone pairs. So definitely here there will be two lone pair. ठीक है, two lone pairs. Clear? Next, These lone pairs are very important to this structure, we will know. So this H2O2 structure we are doing H2O2 structure in gas phase, in gas phase. ठीक है. Now first of all, before doing any structure, we know structures are defined by two theories that we have learned. One is the phenomena that is called hybridization. Number two, VSEPR theory, right? So we will calculate the hybridization or the H, that is steric number. H is called steric number of the oxygen atom over here. Oxygen is the central atom. So steric number is lone pair plus bond pair. So how many lone pairs are there on oxygen atom? 2. Bond pair 1, 2. So 4 number of steric number is 4. Steric number 4 means hybridization is, it is what hybridized? It is sp3 hybridized. ठीक है ना, sp3 hybridized. So normally it should have a tetrahedral shape. ठीक है ना, normal sp3 hybridization means tetrahedral shape. But sp3 hybridization with 2 lone pairs. What does this mean? This means we are having this configuration, 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs, electron 2, Ab2E2 structure. ठीक है, Ab2E2 structure. If this is the structure with sp3 hybridization, so with sp3 hybridization we are getting Ab2E2 structure. That means there is lone pairs. If there is a lone pair, we know the structure is bent because these lone pairs push the bond pairs to make the structure bent. ठीक है. So in this case Ab2E2 structure, the angles are at a range of 104 to 105 degree. ठीक है, the angles are at a range of 104 to 105 degree. So this angle we are talking about, right? This bond angle we are talking about. But in gas phase, this bond angle is 94.8 degree, not 104 to 105 degree. So definitely that means this lone pairs are pushing, these two bonds much more than it would have happened in case of water. ठीक है ना. In water also we know the same kind of configuration is there. Here is 2 lone pairs, right? And we had around 104 degree, 105 degree angle over here. But here it is much lesser. Why? Because see, in water this bond, that is, this is also OH bond, this is also OH bond, है ना. Both the bonds are OH bond. So the repulsion is on both similar kind of bonds. In that case 104 degree, 105 degree happens. That is the truth. That is the truth of the bent structure. Clear है? फिर से बोलूँ? Okay. Next, फिर से एक बार बोलते हैं. Bent structure, 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. Water, 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Bent structure. Angle 104 to 105 degree. Why? Because both the bonds are of similar nature. There is no dissimilar elements. If you see, both are similar elements. But if you see over here, here there is dissimilar elements, है ना. So if you compare this with water, then this bond is same, है ना. This bond is same, but this oxygen bond is different from OH bond. Now this, if you compare this oxygen bond, ठीक है, and oxygen hydrogen bond, definitely oxygen hydrogen bond is much smaller due to small size of hydrogen. So if oxygen hydrogen bond is much smaller, then what happens? See, first of all, this oxygen was there, here was a hydrogen bond, here was another hydrogen. So this bond, this is one, and now the next structure we are talking about is like this. ठीक है. So if you see, this bond is much more than this one. So I will just, for the comparison sake, what I'll do, I'll draw similar kind of structure. So this bond length is much shorter. So when the bond length is much shorter, this orbitals, this electron का जो orbital होता है, finally the molecular orbitals are very close, है ना. They are very close. If they are very close, the repulsion between two bonds are much more, because not only lone pair is repelling here, here is also there will be repulsion. So if this is very small, the orbitals are coming very close. So if the orbitals are close, then this repulsion is a little bit more. So that is why it is having 104 to 105 degree. But on the other hand, in case of this bond is much higher length, this bond is much lower length. So what happens, see, this bond means two electrons, है ना. So total charge distributed along this region, total charge distributed along this region, समझो ठीक से, total charge distributed along this region is divided into total region, that is इतना स्पेस में आपको 2 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्ज मिलता है, और आपको इतना सा स्पेस में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉनिक चार्ज मिलता है. तो ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, अगर if we consider repulsion in this space, if this 2 electron is repelling this amount of charge, then this amount of charge is nowhere near to 2 electrons, this is much lesser. But on the other hand, if you see, the amount of charge at the vicinity is much more, है ना. So the repulsion will be much more. यहाँ पे भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज है, यहाँ पे भी 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज है, तो रिपल्शन विल बी मच मोर, बिकॉज सी अट्रैक्शन और रिपल्शन is directly proportional to q1 into q2. You know that force of attraction and or force of repulsion is directly proportional to q1 into q2. So here the q1 into q2, this part is much lesser. So that is why the repulsion within these bond pairs, that is OO bond. So why this angle is angle of OH bond is equal to 94.8 degree. Why this happens? This happens because OH bond pair and OO bond pair repulsion is what? Lesser. So if it is lesser, if the bond pair repulsion is lesser, it will come closer. If it was higher, it would have gone like this. So here it is higher. Now clear है? 94.8 वाला clear हो गया है ना? Clear? Now next is, what is the dihedral angle over here? Dihedral angle over here is 115 degree. ठीक है? So you need to remember at this moment 115 degree dihedral angle. So I am removing this one. I hope now you are clear with the 94.8 degree wala stuff to clear ho gaya. Now next is, we are talking about this one. Okay? This one, dihedral angle. See, this dihedral angle is the angle between two intersecting planes. I have already explained. Okay? So if the intersecting planes are normally at, it could have been at 90 degree, but it is not at 90 degree. थोड़ा हिला हुआ है ऐसे, है ना, थोड़ा हिला हुआ है. So हिला हुआ क्यों है? ठीक है, हिला हुआ क्यों है? हिला हुआ इसलिए है. So I can have another question over here. Dihedral angle is more than 90 degree, है ना, more than 90 degree. Why? Due to repulsion of lone pair, ठीक है ना, repulsion of lone pair and on oxygen atom and OH bond pair, ठीक है ना. So this lone pairs, देखो ये है, ठीक है. So इधर पे आपका ऑक्सीजन का लोन पेयर, ठीक है, इधर के आपका ऑक्सीजन, और दिस वन हियर इज द ऑक्सीजन लोन पेयर एंड दिस वन इज द बॉन्ड पेयर बिटवीन ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन. तो ये जो लोन पेयर है, दिस इज गोइंग, इफ दिस रिपेल्स दिस बॉन्ड पेयर्स, बोथ द बॉन्ड पेयर्स, ठीक है ना, इसको भी रिपेल करता है, इसको भी रिपेल करता है, तो क्या होगा, ये खुलेगा, है ना, इफ इट वुडंट हैव रिपेल्ड इट वुड कम डाउन लाइक दिस, बट ये तो खुल रहा है क्योंकि यहाँ पे लोन पेयर है, इसको रिपेल कर रहा है, इसको रिपेल कर रहा है, तो ये खुल रहा है, सो दैट इज वाई इट इज मोर देन 90 डिग्री, ठीक है ना, ये ऐसा होना चाहिए था सपोज, बट यहाँ पे लोन पेयर इसको पुश कर रहा है, इसको पुश कर रहा है, तो हो गया 115 डिग्री, सो दैट इज वाई डाइहेड्रल एंगल इज 115 डिग्री, ठीक है। अच्छा, as it is more than 90 degree, this kind of structure is called, in gas phase we are talking about, is called skewed structure, ठीक है ना, this kind of structure is called skewed structure, so it is at an angle, हिला हुआ है structure, ठीक है, क्लियर है। so that is all about the gas phase। अभी हम क्या करेंगे, we'll do solid phase, so गैस फेज हो गया, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट सॉलिड फेज। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल ड्रॉ द स्ट्रक्चर अगेन, so this is the solid phase structure, I should not forget to draw the lone pairs, okay, so here the dihedral angle will come down, this is around 90.2 degree, ठीक है, and this angle is 101 degree approximately, ठीक है, exact value is 101.9 degree, ठीक है, ठीक है, 101.9 degree, okay, done। so first of all let us talk about the angles at this moment। see, if you see the dihedral angle has reduced, तो dihedral angle बढ़ा क्यों था, why dihedral angle had increased, remember यहाँ पे लोन पेयर था, ठीक है, यहाँ पे लोन पेयर था, इसको पुश किया, इसको पुश किया, तो डाइहेड्रल एंगल बढ़ा था, लोन पेयर पुश्ड दिस वन एंड दिस वन, सो डाइहेड्रल एंगल हैड इंक्रीज्ड, सो डेफिनेटली, सो लेट अस डू सम बैकवर्ड इंटीग्रेशन। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल राइट डाइहेड्रल एंगल इंक्रीज हुआ है, डाइहेड्रल एंगल इंक्रीज हुआ है मतलब क्या हुआ था, यहाँ पे डाइहेड्रल एंगल इंक्रीज क्यों हुआ था, बिकॉज लोन पेयर वाज देयर, नाउ डाइहेड्रल एंगल हैज reduced, so must be lone pair का power, you can write the power of lone pair, ठीक है ना, power must have decreased, so यहाँ पे lone pair का जो power है ये है solid phase, solid H2O2, ठीक है ना, lone pair का जो power है वो थोड़ा कम हो गया है, lone pairs power has decreased, now how it has decreased, first of all that can be the only reason for dihedral angle to डिक्रीज, राइट, 90.2 डिग्री में आ गया, नो मोर स्क्यूड स्ट्रक्चर, हिला हुआ नहीं है, स्ट्रेट कट है, तो दिस हैज डिक्रीज्ड बिकॉज एज यू नो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ए गैसियस फेज और गैसियस मॉलिक्यूल एंड ए मॉलिक्यूल इन सॉलिड फेज, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस, द डिफरेंस इज द मॉलिक्यूल्स आर क्लोज हियर, मॉलिक्यूल्स आर अवे ओवर हियर, नथिंग मोर, राइट, सो डेफिनेटली व्हाट हैज हैपेंड ओवर हियर, दिस इज ऑक्सीजन एंड उसके पास में आपने रख दिया और एक H2O2 जिसमें हाइड्रोजन मौजूद है, तो इस ऑक्सीजन के साथ उस हाइड्रोजन का क्या होगा भाई, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, यू आर करेक्ट, हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग होगा, सो दिस लोन पेयर्स का पावर इसीलिए डिक्रीज हुआ, लोन पेयर गॉट इन्वॉल्व इन समथिंग एल्स, दैट इज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, इन्वॉल्व in hydrogen bonding, so as lone pairs has been involved in hydrogen bonding, इसका जो पावर है वो थोड़ा कम हो जाता है क्योंकि कोई और खींच के रखा है उसको, तो पावर थोड़ा कम हो जाने से ये डाइहेड्रल एंगल कम हो जाता है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इफ यू कैन सी दिस वन, OOH bond angle has increased, why, देखो भाई ये ऐसा हुआ क्यों था, ये ऐसा क्यों हुआ था, ये ऐसा इसलिए हुआ था क्योंकि लोन पेयर इसको पुश किया था, इसीलिए तो बेंट हुआ था। लोन पेयर पुश किया इसीलिए तो बेंट हुआ। लेकिन अभी क्या हो गया देखो, लोन पेयर और तो पुश करेगा, डेफिनेटली करेगा, बट इट कैनॉट पुश टू दैट एक्सटेंट एज इट वाज डूइंग इन दिस केस, बिकॉज लोन पेयर का पावर फिर से टू रिपेल हैज डिक्रीज्ड। व्हाई? बिकॉज लोन पेयर गॉट इन्वॉल्व इन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, किसी और काम में इन्वॉल्व हो गया भाई। हर टाइम थोड़ी सेम चीज करता रहेगा, दूसरा काम में चला गया तो उस काम में थोड़ा इग्नोर कर दिया जो हम करते हैं, ठीक है। सो सेम थिंग, ठीक है। लोन पेयर का पावर टू रिपेल हैज डिक्रीज्ड बिकॉज द लोन पेयर गॉट इन्वॉल्व इन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग, हो गया। सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस एंगल डिफरेंस इज देयर। तो एंगल का डिफरेंस मालूम हो गया, सब रीजन क्लियर हो गया। नाउ अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दैट कैन कम इज दिस वन। This length is approximately, I'll give you the length. The length is 147.5 picometer. 147.5 picometer, ठीक है ना। And this is approximately not much difference, so don't have to worry about this. 145 picometer, ठीक है। So first of all, if you see over here, lone pair का इसमें भी इफेक्ट है। कैसे इफेक्ट है देखते हैं। See, if you consider this bond length, ठीक है ना, if you consider this bond length, then what happens? This bond length is more than, write down, this bond length is more than the calculated value of bond length of oxygen and oxygen. Oxygen and oxygen का अगर आप bond length calculate करोगे मैथमेटिक्स करके, न्यूमेरिकल एनालिसिस, तो इससे तो कम आएगा, ठीक है ना। The bond length is more than the calculated value, ठीक है ना। So why then it is larger? This is again due to the repulsion between this lone pair, ठीक है ना। Repulsion between this lone pair makes this bond length a little more larger. And हमको मालूम है गैस फेज में लोन पेयर का पावर ज्यादा, लिक्विड और सॉलिड फेज में लोन पेयर का पावर कम, तो इसमें रिपल्शन थोड़ा तो कम होगा, इसीलिए थोड़ा सा कम है, ठीक है। क्लियर है भाई? हाँ, अच्छा। मेंटेनिंग द सेम फिलोसॉफी ऑलमोस्ट इसका भी बॉन्ड लेंथ अराउंड 97 to 98 पिकोमीटर होता है। एंड आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट सेम, ठीक है, इसमें ज़्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है। ये होता है आपका 95 पिकोमीटर। सो ये उतना ज़्यादा इफेक्ट भी नहीं रहता, बट लॉजिक सेम है, ठीक है ना, लॉजिक सेम है। सो that is all about the structure of H2O2. It takes time to even know the structure, ना, 2 लाइन में नहीं होता है काम, ठीक है, टाइम लगता है। तो इतना क्वेश्चन आ सकता है आपका H2O2 से, कोई भी एग्जामिनेशन में इससे बाहर कुछ भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आ सकता। दैट इज इट। थैंक यू गाइस, मे बी वी स्टडी समथिंग एल्स नेक्स्ट टाइम।